What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I'm using a new camera. I'm using the I think it's called the Osmo Pocket 3, and I don't know if the quality is going to be any different, or if at least the sound is going to be any different. I do have a mic there that I might try, but maybe I'll do it half through the video. But I'm getting the car ready because this Saturday is Fuel Fest. So I'm getting the car ready for Fuel Fest. I'll have a video on that as well. So I've been doing a few things here and there. I put my OEM calipers on. This car had LS400 calipers on it before. I don't know why, but brand new calipers all around. Well, brand new calipers front. Rotors, pads, everything brand new, and it's looking good. I actually like the way it looks because it has like the Supra's like in silver and it comes like that from factory, so it looks really cool. But more on today's video, I'm upgrading my speakers, my door speakers specifically, because my rear speakers are already upgraded, and I mean, you guys can find it on YouTube. It's really easy. You just pop that cover off and the speakers right there, not that hard. The doors, a little bit more complicated. This is what I got. I got this all off of Amazon, and I'll leave the links down below if you guys need it, because honestly, it's crazy how they even sell this all on Amazon, to be honest with you. I just got these connectors for Toyota, so very easy to get. You could even just search up Toyota connectors for speakers and this will come up. The adapters right here, as you guys can see, also off of Amazon, which is insane that they even sell this on Amazon. And then these speakers, which are JBL speakers, which I also got off of Amazon. This is the bracket with the speaker right here. This would be for the passenger side or driver side if you're a left-hand drive model. I believe so, I think. Or maybe it's for the, no, yeah, it has to be for that side. So, yeah, this is the bracket, the speaker, and then the wiring, right here that I put. And then the connector is right here. So it shouldn't be that hard. It's basically just a plug and play, really. All right, guys, and just like that, with just a removal of all these clips and screws are all here, which really all I needed was this to pop out the clips and a screwdriver to get all the screws out. You don't really need any special tools or anything like that. Yeah, look at the difference in speaker size, though. I can't wait to take this one out to show you guys. This one has been upgraded, as you can see. It's a Kenwood. So in the past, someone has upgraded this. Like, I think this is like a 4-inch or something like that, and the other one's a 6.5. So yeah, it will make a big difference. So moving these to the side over here, so you can see the difference in speaker right here. I mean, look at that difference between this one right here, which I'm not sure exactly what size it is. I'm sure it's like a 4-inch or something, and then this is a 6.5. So yeah, look at the difference, dude. It's crazy. I mean, look at my hand is literally like the palm of my hand. This one, you can see a lot, but yeah, crazy. All right, back to what I was saying. Sorry, I thought it was this one, and it's not. It's this one, so I had to put this one together real quick. But yeah, it's finally ready to go on. When you're doing these screws around the speaker, or any screws around the speaker for that matter, do not use a drill or anything like that. Just use something handheld, because if it slips and it hits the speaker, you're done. And then you're gonna have to buy another set. And the wiring is not pinched on anything or anything like that. So it moves pretty well. I mean, it has a lot of space. It still has the original piece here, so you can put this clip back on, which is great. And then I can just plug this in. All that's left is to just test the speaker out, make sure it works. I love subtle mods like this, where it's kind of like OEM, right? Because nobody will ever know, unless you take the door panel apart, you will know. And it still fits in this OEM pocket here. So now all that's left to do is, once everything is connected, just put the door panel back on, and everything just lines up perfectly, I think. Could just clip back on here. Let's go clipped on. There you go. These things are tiny, man. This is crazy. They're really small. Testing that side out right now compared to how it was before is such a big difference. There's a quick install video that I wanted to do, just so you guys could see if anybody has one of these. Very simple to do, and the parts are very easy to find. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And it's also like a test video because I'm using this new camera. I just want to see how it looks and how it is editing and you know, like sound quality and all that. It does come with an external mic that I might be using. I'm trying to set a schedule of when to release videos, but trust me guys, it's not easy. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. There you go. Oh my god, it sounds so clear, guys. I don't know if you could really hear it through the mic, but stop that. Turn the car off. Can't wait to actually like record something with this camera, but all right, finish there.